Hi there, this is Jim Klein with another Excel tip of the month. Now you know how sometimes you have a list of items in Excel and you want to make them appear with bullet points. Sometimes I put the letter O in front of each of one of the items to make it look like a bullet point, but let me show you the right way to do it. So in this spreadsheet, I am going to insert some names here. We're going to type the name Jim because I really like that name, and let's type in Tom and Sally, and Sue. So this is the list of names that we're going to apply a bullet point format to. So the first thing that we have to do is we've got to insert in a blank cell the bullet point image, and to do that you click over here on the Insert tab, and when you click on Insert you come all the way over here to the right and find the symbol icon. You click on the symbol icon and you don't have to scroll through this entire list because it's way down there at the bottom. So instead all you have to do is replace that character code 0020 with 2022. When you type in 2022, you'll see that a bullet point image appears right there. I'm going to click the Insert icon and then click Close. When I click Close, you see that the image over here is inserted into the cell and the cursor is blinking in the cell, which means that this cell is in edit mode. So what I'm going to do is type a space and then type the word General and a semicolon. That's the format that we're going to use for the bullet point. Now, here's another thing that you have to do. It's kind of a pain, but just bear with me. What you do is you highlight that entire string there, press Control-C on your keyboard to copy that into memory. And now I want you to click to take off that highlighting that we just did, and then press Control-V as in Victor 3 times. So I'll do it 1, 2, and 3, and then I'm going to click the backspace button to take off that last semicolon, and I'll hit Enter. Now what I'm going to do is I've got to copy this string, so I'm going to highlight the entire string, press Control-C, and Escape. So that string is now in memory. I'm going to click on a blank cell over here. And now what I want to do is I want to set that up as a custom format in the Format Cells dialog box. So I'm going to press Control-1. When I do that, it makes the Format Cells dialog box appears. I come all the way down here to the Custom option. I'll click on Custom, and where it says General there, I'm going to highlight General with my cursor and then press Control-V to paste that formatting that we just created on top of that, and then I'm going to click OK. Now the custom formatting for the bullet points is ready to go. I'm going to apply that formatting to the 3 cells or the 4 cells over here. So I'll highlight those 4 cells. I'll open the Format Cells dialog box by pressing Control-1. I come down here to Custom. I go all the way down to the bottom and I see my general bullet point format that we created there. I'll highlight that, or I'll click on that and click OK, and there you go. There you have it. Now all the names have the bullet points in front of them. I hope this trick is going to help you out. I'll see you next month for another Excel tip of the month.